Hello YouTube, this is Man This Guys here. So today I've got this product, Motul Inugel Expert Coolant. So I'm gonna be showing you how to refill it in your KTM Duke 390. I bought this before, but the packaging was all torn out.
Few inches later.
Finally, after Jaddojahat, as you can see, it is green in color, but it's not that thick. I don't know if it works or not, but it's not that thick. Its consistency is like liquid based. Well, it's not that thick like usually coolants are. You usually have to add water to them. It's already water based. It's full. As you can see, I use this bottle. This is the jalebi maker bottle. I use it for refueling. And let's see. That's how you refill your coolant. Usually showrooms, they don't fill those coolants. Well, in here they don't. So it's usually you have to fill on your own. And do remember to wash this coolant stain after spilling out. Well, that's how you refuel. If you have any queries regarding this product, tell me. Till then, peace.
Again.